Come on. All right, I got it. Go. Okay, come on. And we're here.
Yes, we are. Jesus. Look at this place.
Welcome to the St. Dismas Dormitory. Alleged final resting place of one Henry Avery.
Let's find that grave. Nathan, check it out. This one's got a pair of cutlasses. It's like the scroll from the cross.
The dates aren't right.
Well, one down and a hell of a lot to go.
Okay. Cross cutlasses, skull and crossbones, and the date 1659 to 1699. We find a tombstone with all three, and we're in business.
Well, let's desecrate some graves.
Let's. No swords. Ah, this isn't it. Huh. Date is correct, but the swords are upside down. Wrong one. No, wrong date, and the swords don't match the scroll. Yeah, well, the swords are a match. So is the year. Sam, come here.
What'd you find it?
Benjamin Bridgman.
That's Avery's alias.
Something odd about this skull, though. It's like it doesn't belong to the stone.
Well, what's odd about it is that's not Avery's sigil.
Oh, yeah, I mean, the skull should be facing sideways.
What is that?
My God. You ready for this?
Well, I've been ready for a long time. Yeah, look at that.
Let's see what we got. It's a crypt.
A crypt hidden behind a secret door
I assume the secret door was added afterwards.
to hide his loot.
One of the old monks wrote this. Whoa. Gang's all here. Jesus. Dismas on the left.
Penitent thief,
Guest is on the right.
jerk thief.
Avery sure had a thing for St. Dismas, huh?
Well, Avery fancied himself a good thief, right? Only plundered and murdered the non-British heathens.
Guess that's what passed for good back then.
Good enough.
Some kind of lamp. Hey, Smokey. Need your lighter over here.
You know, that hurts my feelings.
Not as much as it hurts your lungs.
Thank you, Father Duffy.
Isn't that something?
The light's coming from the other side of the wall.
Let's see here. I can aim the lights.
I am loving this.
Hey, here we go. There we go.
Oh, connect the dots. I think you got that one. Nathan, that's it, you got it. That looks like a constellation.
Yeah, that's Libra. The scales of justice.
That's an interesting choice for a bunch of pirates.
Okay, let's give this a shot.
Open sesame.
Wrong treasure.
Shush. Well, nice view. No treasure, though.
No, but... Look, you see those crosses?
Yeah. Hey, is that a cave right below?
Yeah, I think Avery's trying to tell us where to go next. There's one problem, though. Going back that way means we have to go back toward the cathedral.
And back towards Rafe.
Shit.
Well, let's not keep him waiting.
Shit.
They opened the gate up there.
Oh, good, 'cause that's the way we gotta go. I follow my lead.
Anybody heard from the scout party uphill? No. You think we have guests? Don't I wish. The storm's been messing with the radios. Practically useless. If we don't hear back from them soon, I'll go check in.
Nathan! Oh, shit. Shit, watch it. Spot it. Got them right here! Spotted! Hold still, would you? Oh, jeez! Whoa, 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 whoa! Ah, great! Oh, boy! One bastard right here! Got one for you, Nathan! Let's shut him up. Nathan, move! Shit, Nathan! Go. Where are you, asshole? I got them! Got it! No, no, no! Shit! Nice shot, little brother.
Okay, think we're clear.
Well, that could have gone better.
We're still breathing. That's good enough.
Let's just get that gate open.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go!
Got it! Come on! Damn, that sucker's heavy.
I know, right? How you holding up?
Great. I was kind of hoping to find the treasure back there, but you know, it's never that easy, right?
That's been my experience.
Plus, there was that cool constellation thing.
Yeah, it was cool. Wow. Right under that high cross. That's where Avery wants us.
Well, what Avery wants, Avery gets.
Kid, what's your status?
Hey, Sully. We're on the trail, but treasure's closer to the cathedral than we originally thought.
Oh boy. So what do you need me to do?
Just keep those engines warm. We'll be back before too long.
You got it. Keep me posted.
Will do. I hear him.
Getting real antsy. You, of all people, should appreciate the downtime. Nobody wants another port... What the... Heads up. I have something.
What? What was it?
What you got? Think we're good here?
Over there! Movement! Here they are! They're on us! You're mine! Let's try it! guess there's no getting away from these guys.
Yeah, and there'll only be more as we get closer to the cathedral. Here we go. Come on, I'll boost you up there.
All right. Hell, I'm too high to reach you. Yeah, hang on a sec.
Hanging.
Let me see what's by that wooden structure over there. Hey, I got something. Yep, we go. Christ, this thing's heavy.
What exactly are you doing?
Giving you a way up. That'll support even your weight.
Ah, thank you.
Hey, you don't think the monks built this?
No way. Some kind of pulley system.
To lift a whole bunch of treasure?
To lift something. I can't believe I missed this.
Clearly we were meant to find it together.
Ah, so romantic. Hey, we can climb this!
On my way. Oh, I'm freezing.
Okay, maybe this wasn't such a good idea! No! Holy shit!
Incoming! That was amazing.
Save your strength, huh? We're not done yet.
Just lead the way.
Hope this holds. Oh! This was a good idea!
Nathan!
Down here! The cliff thing broke.
I'd say, you have a real knack for breaking things, especially cliffs.
Tell me about it.
All right, here we go. Christ's sake! You okay?
Yeah.
Like I was just saying.
Yeah.
All right, hold on. I'll see if there's a... Oh, shit!
Sam! I guess it runs in the family, huh?
Maybe so.
I can't get to you from here.
Oh, you got it. I can't feel my hands. I think my blood thinned out or something after all those years in Panama.
Yeah, well, don't worry. Worst case, you lose a couple fingers.
Hold on. I'll help you up. There you go. Where would you be without me, huh?
Probably at home. Drinking hot cocoa?
What are you, 5?
Oh, tell me you wouldn't go for some hot cocoa right now.
Well, I mean, yeah.
Exactly. Here we go. Jesus.
How are you looking? Still some debris blocking the way in. Can't get all the way through. There's a last of the dynamite. Next patrol will bring more fire. Just as it's like.
Wait. No way I imagined that.
Storm's rolling in fast.
You've been in South Sudan too long. Nothing.
We're getting closer to Rafe.
I know.
They're right here! I'm hit it!
Start a sweep.
Okay, we're clear.
Let's hope we're done with these idiots. Hey, careful. Might be unstable after the blast.
Who does excavation with dynamite?
Mercenaries. I think Rafe would know better, though. Hey, Sam, help me with this.
Oh, what if it's the only thing holding the tunnel up?
Then I'll apologize.
All right. No!
There, see? No problem.
for once. Those things look sturdy to you?
Sturdy enough. Hey, be extra careful on these.
Oh, hey, look down there. Old.
Oh, crap! Ah,
Remember, extra careful.
thanks. Okay. Okay, we're good. We're good.
Kid, dog's picking up. How's it looking?
We're about to head into the cave.
The cave?
Yeah, might lose contact for a bit. Don't get too worried.
All right. I'll keep the porch light on for you.
All right. Call you soon.
We made it. It's quite the detour.
Let's go see what Avery left for us.
Yes, please. Those shoreline assholes were right next to this cave.
Yeah, but I think we're the first ones in here. Come on, through here. But I didn't eat a big breakfast.
Creepy St. Dismas statues? Check.
Carved stairs? Check.
Nathan, I think it's safe to say we're in a pirate cave. Oh, is that a door?
It sure looks like it. Come here. Check this out. A little slimy. There's a handle in here or something.
Well, give it a pull.
What? Could be a trap.
You're already in there. What's the worst that can happen?
I lose my hand?
So we'll get you a nice hook. Give it a pull.
Nice hook. All right, here we go.